Hello, welcome to this video. Today we'll be solving a simultaneous linear equation using the elimination method. This is question 1. So let's get started. So the first linear equation is 8x plus 3y equals 30, and the second linear equation is 5x plus 3y equals 21. So in general, what we're trying to do here is find the x and y coordinates at which two lines intersect. So instead of graphing these, we are solving it using algebra. So we don't need any graph paper. So we're solving for the values of y and x so we can find the intersection point. So what we're trying to do here is find the x and y coordinates of this specific point. So let's find the value of x or y. So in this case, let's start and find the value of x. So to solve a system of linear equations, you must set one of these variables to 0 and solve for the other variable. Then we can substitute and find the coordinates. So let's solve for y. So this is set up nicely where there are 3y and 3y. So if we multiply this equation by a negative, we get a negative 5x. We're multiplying the second simultaneous the second linear equation. So we would get negative 5x, negative 3y equals negative 21. This is so we could make this equal to 0 and solve for x. So let's do that. This would be 0. This would be 3x equals 9. We would divide by 3, and x would equal 3. Now we have found the value of x. X equals 3. Now we need to find the value of y. And remember, remove the negative once you're done. So now that we found the value of x, we need to find the value of y. So what we could do is substitute x for one of these equations and find the value of y. We could choose either one since both of these are set equal to each other. So we could substitute x in this or in this, and we would get the exact same answer. For this case, we would always want to choose the numbers that are smaller, more easier to solve. In this case, it would be this, because this has an 8x and a 30, which is much harder to solve than this one. So let's use this. Let's substitute x. And now we have y all by itself. And this is set up nicely to solve the value for y. Now we have 3y equals 6. Now if we divide by 3 on both sides, we would get y equals 2. So now we found the values. But the question does not ask for the x and y. It's asking for the value of x plus y. So let's get 3, which is x, and 2, which is y. We would add them up, and it is 5. So the sum of x and y is 5. And the value of x is 3, and y is 2. Thank you for watching this video.